As you can see, I can get into that pretty easily with the razor blade. And make a little bit of room. And there we are. So now I'm into it with the really just want to work it around. As you can see, this is a hazard of working in a device repair shop, as this alarm keeps going off. Take it, we're going to heat it up again here. So right now I'm heating it up quite a bit to about with a 200 degrees. You just want to do that in order to make sure that it's easy to continue to slide this guy across like so. There we go. Go over here. Keep working on these ends. I'm going to go heat it up a little bit more. Gonna work this around again. And by now I should be able to just take it off. Should come off pretty easily. Trick is you never really want to force anything in this business. You just want to allow it to sort of come off on its own. So there's the back. And here we go. How is that phone going on? We'll have to deal with that in a second here. You know, these screws are all the same size, so you don't really need to separate them into a nice little area. There we go. All right, so now you take sort of whatever you got. For me, I use a plastic spudger. I'm gonna sort of just find a place to kind of pop these guys off, like so. Disconnect the battery, like so. This guy seems to be already disconnected for some reason. This one I'm just going to bring up really close to my face because I don't want to hit anything in order to disconnect it. So there we go. This guy's coming off as well. I usually use gloves with holes in the fingers. So I have better dexterity, but whatever. I disconnect the camera. These cameras are pretty tricky on these, and I'll show you guys in a bit why. I'm going to take this off. That's the board. Don't want to damage that guy at all. This is the new one.